So today was resupply day, and I got groceries and some fun stuff like a new laptop, and also got this box from Bubbly. I ripped it open, but I thought, I should turn this into an unboxing. So they saw one of their products in my videos and basically asked if they could send me a care package. And this is what we have here. So I haven't seen what's inside it, by the way. I just kind of like cracked the seal and then stopped. So let's flip it open. Wow. So we got a card, first of all. Caps off to you. Hey, Chris. Congrats on the new job. We hope you can celebrate this exciting time with this Bubbly care package. Wow. Wow, what do we got here? Look at this. That's cool. We got a like a skipper cap. That's cool. Like that green color too. Oops. Oh, we got a coolie. That's tight. Nice. And then what is this here? Oh, what? Nice, dude. Dude, this is some proper swag. This is a it's like a windbreaker. That's awesome. How cool. Rad. My size and everything. We're freaking sweethearts. We're still doing this. Oh, nice. Look at this. A hoodie. A damn hoodie. That's tight. I like the fact that there's not a ton of branding on it. It's just like something simple, and I don't even know if I would recognize that. Let's check the back. Oh, yeah, never mind. Dude. It's tight, though. I mean, a hoodie. Thanks, guys. That's freaking awesome. Might have to put the phone down to open this thing. Let's see. These might be shorts. I think they are. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, nice, dude. Some damn shorts. These are like pajamas is what these are. It's tight. Let me go to wide. There we go. That's way better. I should have done that a long time ago. That's cool. Some stickies. I'll have to get a knife. Let's see. Where's that thing? Gonna have to put the phone down. It's kind of funny. Cracked it open. It's empty. It was just to keep things from shifting. Wow, look at the flavors here. What? I've never had this one. Sweet. This is a good one. This is one of my favorites, as a matter of fact. What about this? So this is one I've never had. And then these I've all tried, except for this one, actually. I don't think I've tried this one. I tried the lemon lime, but not the lime. Thank you so much, Bubbly. That was nice of you. Appreciate it. So, by the way, I just opened up one of these, and not even cold, right? I just couldn't wait, and these are really good. These might be my new favorite.